guys, nerds! Today I am going to attempt to make butterbeer. You heard that right. I am not known for my culinary skills between friends or family, but I absolutely, who doesn't love the butterbeer at Universal? But I did a lot of research for this, and I think that I finally have narrowed it down to the best recipes. There are links to 3 butterbeer recipes in the description of this video. And one of them is the first one I'm going to do, which is a very, very simple one, 3 ingredients. We're going to see how that turns out. Could it possibly taste even close to as good as the stuff at Universal? I doubt it with just 3 ingredients, but we're going to give it a shot. And then the next one is from the Orlando Informer. So I'll be trying their simple butterbeer recipe #1 that was their winner. So this first recipe that I was talking about that only has 3 ingredients is from a blog called Bake Me Away. Love the name of that blog. And the 3 ingredients are simply cream soda. I went with A&W because Food Hacker recommended A&W cream soda. He said it tasted the close to the butterbeer taste. Her other ingredient is butterscotch topping. And the 3rd ingredient is, oh my gosh, in the refrigerator, and I gotta go get it. And then the 3rd ingredient is heavy whipping cream. I've never whipped cream before, so that's gonna be fun. I'm going to make the whipped topping because pretty much all I have to do with her recipe is make the whipped topping and then pour it on a cup of cream soda. Like, what? If you're old school, I bet you use this puppy. I'm not going to do that because I don't want my arm to fall off. 1 cup. So that probably is just going to cover 1 drink of mine. All right, so 1 cup. Oh my God, this seems like a lot. 1 cup heavy whipping cream. That's a lot of cream. Say a little prayer for me. Let's whip this cream, see what happens. I think it's working. She says do it until it's like the consistency of beer foam. Then she whisked in about 1/3 of the jar of butterscotch. Sorry, about 1/3 of the jar. Let's see how that goes. Here we go. I was worried I'd have to heat it up. Oh my God, was that already too much? Oh my God, that was already too much. That was more like half the jar, but hey, in for, what is it? In for a penny, in for a pound. All right, so now I am going to whisk instead of using the electric doohickey because I don't think the electric one would be nice to the butterscotch and the cream together. Ooh, and it is nice and thick. It's kind of velvety. Ooh, I like it. All right, so here goes the A&W. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have to pour this like you do when you tap a keg because otherwise it's just going to be all foam. What you do, in case you don't know, because you haven't tapped a keg like crazy old me, is you pour the soda against the side of the cup rather than like straight down into the rest of the soda to try to keep the foam down. That kind of looks foamy already, and I haven't even put the foam on. All right, so the foam is going down on this puppy. The cream soda is definitely the color of butterbeer. That part's cool. All right, so now I'm going to, oh, the whipped cream looks good. I'm going to spoon some of the whipped cream onto a drink. Oh my God, oh my God. I think that's a beautiful consistency. It's not too thick. It is kind of dunking down in there. You know what? Screw that. Like, oh my God. Oh, there's a lot of butterscotch in this, and I'm glad. I poured a lot of the cream on top. Bottoms up, let's see. Well, you know, so this is not the greatest butterbeer recipe. It's all delish, but God darn it, it is not Universal butterbeer. You know what it is, actually? I don't think the A&W cream soda this is going to sound horrible. I don't think the A&W cream soda is sweet enough. In fact, I would say that because the cream is so delish, creamy and sweet, the soda ends up tasting kind of not salty, but it's not sweet enough. The soda is not sweet enough. It is not universal butterbeer standards. Bye-bye. Okay. That was recipe. We're moving on to dip. Okay, so this one, like I said, comes from Orlando Informer. Her beer ingredients include cream soda, butter extract, rum extract, cream topping. They use marshmallow cream. There is a little bit of whipping cream in this recipe, not at the one at the park. And this one also has rum extract. Wait. Okay, so I'm going to start with a new 2-liter because that was the measurement. He says, in the 2-liter of your cream soda, drop the extracts into the 2-liter bottle, put on the cap, and slowly rotate until combined. Oh my God. 2 tablespoons of butter extract. I bought 2 of these because I wasn't sure if I would have enough. They're tiny, but expensive. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the butter extract into the cream soda. Woo! That came out fast. Oh God, oh God, this is gonna be, okay, there's 1, 2, straight, that is not good stuff. 2 teaspoons rum. Ooh, look what it's doing, it's sitting on top there. Okay, so 2 teaspoons. Oh, it just went everywhere. My kitchen's gonna smell like I'm drunk. Woo! Okay, number 2, oh God. See? All right. Oh my, it smells like alcohol. All right, so he said, put them in and then slowly turn your 2-liter until combined. I bet you have to have a lot more patience. All right. All right, so that's the butterbeer part. The cream part. You need a 7-ounce container of marshmallow cream. 1 cup whipping cream, 1 teaspoon rum extract. Again, let's get a different bowl, shall we? He says mix, add all the items together in an electric mixer and combine until smooth. He probably means a blender. I'm not using my blender. Okay, so a cup of the cream, heavy whipping cream. Oh my God. So, you know what I don't want to know? I don't want to know how many calories or how many grams of sugar are in the universal butterbeer. So there's my cup of cream. There. Oh, what a mess. And this whole thing of marshmallow. All right, so this whole, oh, wow. That was a lot. Okay, you know what? Pretty much empty. That's as good as it's going to get. I'm not licking that off. 1 teaspoon rum extract. That is a teaspoon, right? Nope, that's half a teaspoon. Nancy. I'm turning on my mixer. It just says combine until smooth. Oh, here we go. Let's check this out. Oh, okay, this is going everywhere. Let me put my dish towel over this. Oh my God. It's going everywhere because the marshmallow cream is like in one big lump. So it's just sticking to the mixer. All right, it's getting smoother. It's still lumpy. Oh my God, so messy. Woo! Now it's looking good. It's good. Yeah. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see, it's getting smoother. All right. Oh wow, it's so thick that when I took out the, what do you call those? That it left 2 holes. Well, that's really thick stuff. Meow. All right, so pour the butterbeer into a glass, drizzle with the cream topping, and enjoy. Okay, so second glass. Second glass. So this is the cream soda that has, oh my God, the butter extract, and it doesn't really look like it mixed. So I'm doing this. I know I'm probably going to regret that, but it didn't look like it mixed. So I'm doing this a little bit. Oh, it didn't explode like I thought it would. It did change color, so the extracts must be in there somewhere. Oh my God. All right. So we'll do a little soda schmoda. It's not as foamy with the extracts in there. It didn't foam up like the other, like last time. The extracts must keep that down. And now this stuff, I really feel like it would be better with butterscotch in it. But it's just got rum, marshmallow cream, and whipping cream. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's a nice consistency. I think the marshmallow cream makes a big difference rather than just having whipping cream. Although it's so heavy, it's kind of sinking down into my soda. I don't know if you can see that. We have like a cascade effect. It's going to mix. Don't mix. You're supposed to be separate. Oh, no. No. Although, yeah, I think the marshmallow cream, okay, see, it's all sinking down. That's not what's supposed to happen. Okay. So messy. Gosh darn it, I'm not getting any of the foam because it's all dropping to the bottom. This looks like more something out of potions class more than it does something from Three Broomsticks. Would Snape be proud? I don't think so. Let's just taste the... Okay. 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 I don't like those extracts because it's very alcohol-y. Let's mix it and see what happens. Because I'm not even getting any soda. I'm just getting all foam. So I'm mixing the whole thing. Oh my God, what a mess. No! No, Orlando Informer! All right, no. Dang it! I want a good butterbeer recipe. Here are my thoughts. Cream soda alone is not enough. Something needs to happen to the cream soda. But the extracts were not the thing that needed to happen to the cream soda because it tastes very alcohol-y. I'm thinking I would like this in the cream soda, the butterscotch, to make it slightly sweeter. Or maybe just flat out change the kind of soda. I don't know. So the soda by itself was definitely better than the soda with the extracts. Topping. I think heavy whipping cream, marshmallow cream, and butterscotch, and not the mother lovin' extracts. Either that or way less. Maybe half the extracts. I mean, all I can taste when I drink this, and plus it turned into a big old mess. The other one, look, the other one's so pretty. So the one that was just 3 ingredients looks more like butterbeer. The one that had the extracts and all the ingredients looks like not butterbeer. It looks like some kind of cream drink. The one with just the 3 ingredients, mother of pearl, I'm telling you what. Okay, so this one was way more complicated. I take back what I said. This might not be universal butterbeer, but it tastes a hell of a lot better. Orlando Informer, you have failed this butterbeer. It's no good. So the winner today for Nancy Basile Plus Size Nerd, oh my God, my kitchen, is Bake Me Away. The link is in the description. Look, the foam is holding up. I think I would still add just a titch of marshmallow cream in there. Not a lot, because obviously with the marshmallow cream, the whole thing sinks to the bottom. Maybe I put too much on. I really don't think so. I would go with the Bake Me Away. Seriously. But maybe a little butterscotch in the soda. Dang it. So close. All right. Experiment over. Bake Me Away. You are the winner. Easy. Still tasty. Still not exactly the same. Oh, why can't they sell that stuff? Whatever. Guys, thank you so much for coming to watch me make a huge mess. Thank you. Bake me away. That's the winner. All right. Bye, guys.